Guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you block somebody into your Binance Square. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to block somebody into your Binance Square, you just simply have to open your Binance application, and after that just simply tap to this little yellow icon into the top left corner. After tapping into there, you will get to see this square option into shortcuts. Simply select square and go to the square. Now you just simply have to select the person who you would like to block into here. Now in order to do that, I'm going into my following. Now after going into my following, I'll choose this profile right here. You also have to go into profile of the person who you want to block into Binance Square. And after that, you will get to see these three dots beside following option or follow option. Tap to that three dots and then you will get the option of block user. Tap to block user and tap to block again in order to confirm. And after that, the person will be blocked this easily. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update.